Is the Bitcoin bull run over, or are we just catching our breath? And that's the question on everyone's mind today. Bitcoin, the titan of cryptocurrencies, is known for its roller coaster ride of ups and downs. A bull run signifies a period of consistently rising prices, a hopeful time for crypto enthusiasts. But what's driving this market? To understand where we're heading, we need to examine the factors that shape Bitcoin's trajectory. So let's dive deeper into the factors that might be influencing this current state. This week's economic report has caused quite a stir. Let's dissect its possible impacts on Bitcoin. Diving into the highlights of the report, the first thing that jumps out is the unexpected rise in inflation rates. Now, conventional wisdom might lead you to panic, thinking that this spells doom for Bitcoin. But let's not get carried away. Inflation rates can be a double-edged sword for cryptocurrencies. On one hand, it could lead to a decrease in purchasing power, making Bitcoin less attractive. However, on the other hand, people might start seeing Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation, thus increasing its demand. Moving on, the report also points towards a slowdown in job growth. This could mean a couple of things for Bitcoin. A slowdown could result in less disposable income, which might lead to reduced investment in Bitcoin. But again, it's not all gloom and doom. Bitcoin is often seen as a safe haven, and in uncertain times, people could be tempted to invest more in it. The report also highlights a decrease in GDP growth. Now, this is where things get interesting. A falling GDP growth could signal economic instability, which traditionally leads to an increase in Bitcoin's value. It seems counterintuitive, right? But that's the beauty of Bitcoin. It doesn't play by traditional economic rules. Lastly, the report indicates a rise in interest rates. Now, this could make traditional investments more attractive, possibly pulling investors away from Bitcoin. But remember, Bitcoin has often thrived in the face of adversity. So, what does all this mean for Bitcoin? Well, it's a mixed bag, really. Economic indicators can influence cryptocurrency trends in ways that are often not straightforward. They can both boost and hinder Bitcoin's value, making the crypto market an exciting, albeit volatile, space. Now that we understand the economic factors at play, let's move to another crucial influencer, geopolitics. The Middle East has always been a hotbed of geopolitical tensions. How might these conflicts affect Bitcoin's bull run? You may wonder. Well, let's delve into it. The Middle East, a region filled with rich history and culture, has been marred by conflicts and political instability for decades. These conflicts, often resulting in economic uncertainties, have far-reaching impacts, even in the world of cryptocurrencies. So, how does this geopolitical instability influence the crypto markets? It's not as complicated as you might think. When traditional financial systems are volatile, people look for alternatives. Cryptocurrencies, with their decentralized nature, offer a promising solution. Imagine this, and you're living in a country where the economy is in turmoil and the value of your national currency is plummeting. Wouldn't you be tempted to invest in something more stable, something unaffected by your country's economic policies? This is where Bitcoin enters the scene. Bitcoin has gained a reputation as a safe haven asset, much like gold in the traditional financial system. In times of conflict or economic instability, people turn to these safe havens to preserve their wealth. This has been evident in the past when the price of Bitcoin has surged during global crises. The Middle East conflict is no exception. The geopolitical instability in the Middle East creates a sense of uncertainty. This uncertainty drives people to seek security, and for many, Bitcoin provides that security. It's a digital asset that's not tied to any government or financial institution, making it immune to the economic fallout of conflicts. However, it's important to note that while Bitcoin may seem like a safe bet during times of conflict, it's still a volatile asset. It's subject to market dynamics and can fluctuate wildly in value. So, while it can act as a safe haven, it's not immune to market risks. While the economic report and geopolitical factors are important, there's another factor we need to consider: public sentiment. Don't forget, the market isn't just influenced by hard facts and data. People's perceptions, opinions, and emotions play a huge role in shaping the direction of Bitcoin's bull run. So stay tuned as we explore that in the next segment. The winds of public sentiment can change the course of the Bitcoin ship, but which way are they blowing now? It's not news that public sentiment holds a significant sway over the volatile world of Bitcoin. The ebb and flow of public opinion can play a pivotal role in determining the direction of the crypto market. So let's delve into the current state of affairs. Recently, there's been a shift in the public mindset towards Bitcoin. This is not surprising, considering the roller coaster ride Bitcoin has been on over the past year. From hitting record highs to drastic plunges, Bitcoin's journey has been anything but smooth. This erratic behavior has stirred up a blend of both optimism and skepticism in the public eye. On one hand, you have the Bitcoin enthusiasts, the die-hard crypto believers, who see these market fluctuations as mere bumps on the road to a decentralized future. Their unwavering faith in the potential of Bitcoin continues to fuel its momentum. They champion the cause of Bitcoin, advocating its advantages and its potential to revolutionize the financial world. On the other hand, there are the skeptics. These are the individuals who view Bitcoin with a critical eye. They point out its volatility, its susceptibility to market manipulations, and its potential for facilitating illicit activities. Their voices echo with caution, urging potential investors to tread carefully in the world of crypto. Now, let's not forget the influence of major players in the crypto space. Their statements can cause significant ripples in the market. A single tweet or public statement from a prominent figure can either send Bitcoin soaring or plummeting. It's a testament to the power these individuals wield over the crypto market. So we're seeing a tug of war of sorts, a battle between optimism and skepticism, between faith and caution. This is the current state of public sentiment towards Bitcoin. It's a delicate balance, a dance of sorts, that continues to shape the trajectory of Bitcoin. So we've looked at all these factors. Now it's time to answer the big question. With all these factors in mind, is the Bitcoin bull run really over? This is the question that has been on everyone's lips, and it's time we grapple with the meat of the matter. First, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. We talked about the week's economic report, which painted a somewhat gloomy picture. A lion's share of economies around the globe are still in the throes of recovery, grappling with the aftermath of financial upheavals. This has led to a ripple effect on cryptocurrencies, with Bitcoin being no exception. Then we shifted our gaze to the Middle East conflict. Its impacts on the crypto market cannot be understated. The geopolitical turmoil has sent shockwaves through the market, leading to increased volatility. Bitcoin, as the front-runner of the crypto world, has felt the heat. We also delved into the power of public sentiment. A single tweet can send Bitcoin prices soaring or plummeting. The crypto market is a volatile beast, swaying to the whims of public opinion. The highs and lows of Bitcoin are often a reflection of the collective psyche of its investors. So, considering these factors, where does that leave us? Is the Bitcoin bull run over? The answer, my friends, isn't as black and white as we'd like. The current state of Bitcoin's bull run is a mixed bag. It's a tug of war between economic factors, geopolitical unrest, and the ever-changing tide of public sentiment. While the recent downturn may seem disheartening, it's essential to remember that Bitcoin has weathered storms before. Its resilience has been tested time and time again, and it's come out the other side stronger. So, while the bull might be taking a breather, it's too early to ring the death knell. In conclusion, the crypto market, much like life, is full of ups and downs. It's a roller coaster ride that can be thrilling and terrifying in equal measure. Remember, the crypto market is ever-changing, and the only constant is unpredictability. We hope this deep dive has given you a clearer picture of the current state of Bitcoin. Navigating the world of cryptocurrency can often feel like steering a ship through a storm. The waves of market volatility, the winds of economic forecasts, and the occasional iceberg of geopolitical conflict. It's a lot to take in, isn't it? But remember, as the captain of your crypto ship, it's crucial to keep your compass pointed towards knowledge and understanding. Keep your eyes on the horizon, but also remember to look down at the charts and reports. They are your map, revealing the hidden currents that can change your course. In this ever-evolving crypto ocean, it's not enough to just stay afloat. To truly sail, you must stay informed, read widely, question often, and don't be afraid to plunge into the depths of research. After all, the more you know, the better you can navigate these unpredictable waters. And remember, you're not sailing alone. We're here to help guide you through the fog, to shed light on the complex mechanisms of the crypto world. Our videos are your lighthouse, illuminating the way towards educated decisions and savvy investments. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest crypto trends, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay savvy, crypto enthusiasts.